পছন্দ করি, তোমার এখানে আসা উচিত ছিল। And that's all for you. Please try your best. Now. I would be really so happy if you get all the answers. And if you pass, really, I become so happy for this. And try your best. And take it challenge for your life. Seven sentence. You will